Editing a PID symbol is a fairly straightforward process, and the same process pretty much applies to most of the symbols. So let's take a look at how we do it. Let's go ahead and zoom in on this valve that we have right here, and we'll take a closer look at that. If we select that valve, you're going to see that you're going to have some grips that come up. This first grip right here is the grip that we can move the valve by. Let's say we need to move that over some. We can do that by the grip. And you'll notice that the line is also healed up automatically whenever you do that. And you'll also see that if I wanted to, I could put in a specific distance with the direct entry as well. One of the places where we can make the most changes, though, is if we go into the Properties panel. Take a look at some of the things that you can change from the properties. You can even change the style of what type of gate is it going to be. It can be a regular style. It's going to be a closed style. If you want to change this tag number, you can. Some of them, if you notice they're grayed out, it can't be changed from that. And look at some of these. If you see that it has the little lightning bolt by it, if you click on that, you'll see you can acquire it from the pipe segment status, or you can override it to put your own number in. All your valves are going to have a state, open or closed, so let's go ahead and change that one to normally open. So you can also change the different codes that you want on the valves as well. So lots of things can be changed from this property panel. So let's go ahead and close this out, and let's see if you can now see that it is a normally open valve. So pay close attention to your grips, and remember you can also change many of the functions right there within the properties panel.